Everyone thinks the best-selling bifold door handles are automatically the best ones. But is that really true? If you look a little closer, the story is actually quite different. Product number 1, Golden Warm Matte Black Knobs. The Golden Warm Matte Black cabinet knobs caught my eye immediately with their sleek design and solid reviews. Priced at just $10.49 for a pack of 5, these knobs are a budget-friendly option. If you want a stylish touch for your bifold doors, this is worth a serious look. These knobs are made of durable zinc alloy, which means they won't rust or wear down easily, giving you confidence that they'll last. The 1.27-inch size is perfect for smaller hands, allowing easy access to your bifold doors and ensuring a comfortable grip. With a 4.7-star rating from over 2,500 reviews, buyers rave about their quality and ease of installation. Here's why this matters for you specifically. If you're looking to replace worn-out handles quickly and affordably, these knobs can do just that without making you break the bank. Now, some people complained about the screws being a bit short for thicker doors. Here's the thing though, if you have standard doors, you'll probably be just fine. But if your doors are unusually thick, you might need to grab longer screws separately. This is perfect for you if you need a quick upgrade for your bifold doors without spending a fortune. Skip this one if you want something more decorative or if your doors are on the thicker side. For the price, you really can't go wrong. Now, if those short screws bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, Revent Adhesive Cabinet Handles. Next up is the Revent Adhesive Cabinet Handles, and these are really unique. Priced at $9.99 for a 2-pack, these handles caught my attention for their no-drill installation. If you want something that's easy to install and looks great, give this a look. These adhesive handles measure 5.83 inches in length and are made of premium zinc alloy, so they're not just pretty. They're also durable and rust-resistant. The self-adhesive design means you can stick them on any clean surface without needing to worry about tools or drilling holes. Imagine transforming your bifold doors in just a few minutes. With a solid 4.6-star rating based on 701 reviews, many buyers love how hassle-free this makes updating their space. Here's why this matters for you. If you're renting or just don't want to commit to permanent changes, these handles are a great solution. Now, some users mentioned that the adhesive can weaken over time, especially in humid areas. But honestly, if you follow the installation instructions and prep the surface well, you should have no issues. This is perfect for you if you want a quick upgrade without any damage to your furniture. Skip this one if you prefer something traditional or more permanent. For the price, it's a solid choice. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for durability. Product number 3, Proberco Half Dummy Handles. The Proberco Matte Black Half Dummy Handles are a heavy-duty choice priced at $34.99 for a pack of 4. These handles caught my eye with their robust build and stylish finish. If you're after something that screams quality while fitting in with modern decor, this is worth considering. These handles are made from zinc alloy and feature an exposed screw design, giving them a distinctly modern look. At 4.84 inches in length with a rosette diameter of 2.56 inches, they're designed for both interior and closet doors, perfect for your bifold doors. With a 4.7-star rating from 2,200 reviews, buyers appreciate their stylish appeal and solid construction. Here's why this matters for you. If you need something that's not just functional but also enhances your home's aesthetic, these handles deliver. Now, some people found the exposed screws unappealing, which makes sense if you prefer a sleeker look. But here's the thing. The sturdiness they provide is a huge benefit, especially in high-traffic areas. This is perfect for you if you're aiming for a contemporary look and need something durable. Skip this one if you want a fully functioning handle or if you dislike the exposed screws aesthetic. For the quality, it's a fair price. Now, if the exposed screws don't bother you, let's talk about something that combines style and affordability. Product number 4, Cofizo Solid Square Bronze Handles. Next, we have the Cofizo Solid Square Bronze Kitchen Cabinet Handles, priced at $23.97 for a pack of 10. These handles stand out for their unique design and value for money. If you want to outfit multiple bifold doors without breaking the bank, check these out. These oil-rubbed bronze handles are made from solid metal, ensuring durability while adding a touch of elegance to your doors. At 5 inches in spacing, they fit standard holes perfectly and come with screws for easy installation. With an impressive 4.8-star rating from over 4,300 reviews, buyers love the quality and how well they hold up over time. Here's why this matters for you. You get a stylish handle that can handle daily use without losing its charm. Now, some buyers mentioned that the finish may vary slightly from handle to handle. But honestly, that's pretty normal with bronze finishes. If you're looking for a uniform look, just inspect them before installation. This is perfect for you if you're looking to upgrade multiple doors affordably. Skip this one if you prefer a bright silver finish or are looking for very specific color matching. For the price, you get great value. Now, if you still want something easy to install without tools, let's look at the last product. Product number 5, RevPCube Self-Stick Handles. Finally, we have the RevPCube Self-Stick Handles, priced at $9.99 for a 2-pack. These handles caught my attention for their super easy installation. If you want hassle-free updating for your bifold doors, these are a fantastic option. Made from high-quality stainless steel, these handles are not only stylish, but also offer great rust resistance. The 6-inch length is generous and provides a comfortable grip, making it easy to open your doors. With a solid 4.6-star rating based on 983 reviews, buyers love how they can quickly transform their space without needing tools. Here's why this matters for you. If you're looking for a simple, effective solution that won't damage your doors, these handles fit the bill. Now, some users reported that the adhesion could weaken in high humidity, which is something to think about if you live in a damp area. But if you follow the installation instructions carefully, you should be just fine. This is perfect for you if you want an easy way to update your bifold doors without any permanent changes. Skip this one if you want a more traditional handle style. For the price, you're getting a great deal on convenience. So there you have it. The Golden War knobs are budget-friendly. The Revin handles are quick to install. Proberco offers style and durability. Cafizo gives you great value, and RevPCube makes updating super easy. Depending on your needs, one of these handles is sure to fit the bill.